Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create guest networks in ASUS Lyra Mesh. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then go for the Wi-Fi, inside select wireless settings and guest network. Then there's this plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen, and we'll be able to pick a different band for our Wi-Fi. Now we can set the name for the guest network as well as the password, and we can also change the time on how long this network will be available. You can switch between 3 hours to 30 minutes. You can also set it to unlimited or set a custom time. Click on OK and then OK again, and it should create your guest network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.